Hey KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I know only to the title. I know what this video is about. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some outfits that I would wear if I was on vacation. These are all brand new, never been worn, never been seen before, but I just have them in my closet. Most of these fits are from Fashion Nova and a couple other stores. Let's just jump right into the video. Alright KK squad, so the first fit I have right here. Oh, I missed it already. Or it's the tag. Oh, I think it's the tag. So the first item I have here is the water sports bikini. This is the color neon green. And it's from Fashion Nova. Alright KK squad, so this is the swimwear. The bottom is high-waisted, and sorry I'm wearing a bra with the top right now for YouTube purposes. Anyways, you could zip it high or you could wear it open like this, like the model. She's wearing hers open, or maybe yeah, I think this works. And as you can see, it's a two-piece, and it has cap sleeves. So this one is a size small. Like I said, it has a zipper in the back. So next I have this biker shorts. It's a two-piece set, and the top, it's from Fashion Nova. So this one is called Run to Me biker shorts set. This is size small, color black. And they also have this in neon green, I think, like the stripe that you see here. You guys know I love Fashion Nova. Even though sometimes they could mess up. Yeah, they mess up sometimes, I ain't gonna lie. But when they do come through, they deliver. You get what I say? The sleeve has fishnets and fishnet in the biker shorts right here. So the model, she wears it, and you can see her boobs showing here. I don't have any, so I won't have any to show. It's cropped and the front has zipper. So this set I would pair with some white sneakers. Even though it's black with the neon stripes, I would pair this with some white sneakers. As you can see, you're getting her white sneakers, and the model is also wearing a white sneakers. So yeah. I love it. If I should go on vacation, I would wear the swimsuit like to the beach, on the beach side. For instance, you are at a little resort with pool and beach. This outfit now, I would wear for like hiking and stuff, you know. For example, because I love Las Vegas. If I should go to Las Vegas, I would wear this for like hiking, or if I go to California, hiking as well to see the Hollywood sign, just for walking purposes, or like the strip. If you're on the strip, this is a good outfit, and sneakers to walk and tour the strip. Go to the museum on the strip, the wax museum, you know, do helicopter ride, go downtown, walk, do zip lining. For Jamaica, if I'm wearing this to like Jamaica or so, this is a nice little flex to go outside, just for like walking purposes.
Walking purpose.
I love this. This is very comfy, I ain't gonna lie. Yes sir, yes sir. So next I have this romper type thing. I got this from a store in Pembroke Lakes Mall, for those who know. South Florida lives here or something. This store, I don't know if it's located anywhere else, but this store is called GITI, G-I-T-I. Alright, so this outfit is off the shoulder, and it has a belt. It has a zipper in the front, so it's made like this off the shoulder. But I'm having issues with this belt. I pull it as tight as possible so I can fit the loop around here, but it won't stay in. I probably would have to pin it or something. But yeah, this is the look. I was supposed to wear this on my girls trip too, and I didn't get to wear it. But let me know what you guys think. Where would you wear this romper thingy if you should get it? I paired it with these platform type heels. I also have these platform heels in one of my Fashion Nova haul. I'll leave the link down below. This color goes perfect with this outfit, but the only problem is this belt thingy. So I think I would wear this if I was on vacation. I would wear this to like a brunch or something, but I don't know. I'm just saying. So let me know where you would wear this outfit. I like it because it also have the pockets. I like the pockets. All right, let me see if I can catch your teeth for at least a second. All right, whew. This is the look. My little shoes. Guys, I'm gonna look bloated in my clothes because female, yeah, it's that time. It's that time, so yeah. So next I have this dress from Fashion Nova, size small. So this one is the Night Owl midi dress. Owl, owl, accent, yeah. So it's a Night Owl midi dress, color orange, size small. And midi dress, you know, it's knee length. Honestly guys, I don't remember the reason why I bought this, because I'm not a fan of this. I don't know why I bought this. I don't think I bought it for myself. I think I just bought it. I was going to Jamaica and I just bought stuff just to take with me in case anybody like it, you know. I think that's the reason why. Child, I don't remember, but let me know what you guys think about this one. But I said let me try it on. This could be like probably a dinner dress, like you're going to dinner. So as you can see, the sleeves, it's like one of those puffy type sleeve, and it's mock neck. Again, I don't know how I feel about this, honestly. I said I could probably wear this to like a dinner and pair it with some heels. I don't know what heels exactly, what color, but I'm just gonna randomly put on a clear heel because clear can go with anything for the video. Let me know what you guys would pair this with, what heels, maybe a nude, maybe nude heels, or let me know what you guys think, what heels. So I have clear heels on right now. I think this is like a function. You're going to a function or a dinner, or I don't know, definitely not club wear. So I'm going on vacation to go to a function. I don't know, but if you go on vacation, you're definitely going to dinner or something. At least dinner, right? Next I have this bodysuit. This is from Discovery, and I have two jeans, one from Fashion Nova, one from Discovery. I don't know which one I would wear with this, but I'll show you the difference why I said that. So this bodysuit is from Discovery. It was $9.99, $10. So it fits like this. Shows a little bit of my tattoo. And it's very stretchy. I don't know if this store is in other states. You could Google it and see, but we have a lot here in South Florida. You get cheap clothes. You could get $5 tops, stuff like that. But this jeans is from Fashion Nova. It's the Dance With Me. It's the Do My Dance high waist jeans, light blue. Whew. Size 5. This is a 5. And then the knee area are above the knee. Yeah, this is above the knee. It has cuts and it's long, as you can see. Long. But what I don't like about it, it's too long because it's too baggy down here, so. And I used to like my jeans like that, but I don't like that anymore. So the reason why I don't know how I feel about this jeans is because it's too long. I'll probably pair it with my white sneakers or some heels, clear heels. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys would wear this outfit with. I don't own a lot of bodysuit. I think I only own 2, a brown one and this one, because I don't think I look good in bodysuit. Because I'm short, I feel like I look a stuff something, I don't know what. Like I said, size 5 is for me. I'm 5'2", I weigh 125, probably less now, I don't know, because I keep my weight fluctuates, I don't even know. The last time I checked it was 125. So yeah, size 5. I don't know where I'd wear this to. Maybe like, honestly I don't know where I would wear this to. So yeah, I'm gonna try the jeans that I got from Discovery. So these are a little shorter from the these are a little shorter than the ones that I got from Fashion Nova. So these are shorter, like I said. It's more like cut up style jeans. So yeah, this is how this one is looking. I think I prefer this one more with the heels because of the cut up style, and it's shorter. It's you know, it's shorter. I like that. So next I'm gonna try this dress. It's called What You Waiting For denim mini dress, size small, from Fashion Nova. Okay, so this dress, as you can see, is denim and the color is dark wash. It's size small. Let me show you the back. The back is altered, right? But the chain to go around the neck is too long, and I don't know, maybe off camera or later I can adjust it or something. Maybe this is something else I'll give to somebody, you know. This is it, and as you can see, the side right here, it has the chains going. I like this style right here. And the back has a zipper from top. You can zip up or you can zip from down here. There's a zipper here as well. And so yeah. So this dress I would pair with some gold heels, which I don't have right now. Do I? Wait. I have gold shoes. Oh! Be right back. I think I had this on first. I just put this on with it. I'll wear something similar like this, clear shoes that I have on right now. I do have gold shoes, but let me go try it on and see how it's gonna look with this. Be right back. Alright, so false alarm, guys. These are rose gold shoes and I'm not really a fan of them. I remember wearing them once and I never really liked them. But like I said, this dress I'd probably give it to somebody because I don't think it fit me how I want it to fit. But these are the shoes. I got these from Fashion Nova, these shoes, like early last year. So you guys get the style, get what I'm trying to deliver here, right? So yeah, I would wear this to a party actually. So you know, you're on vacation and you want, well, Americans would say go to the club. I'm not a club person. I like outdoor events. And I want to look outside street party in Jamaica. Yeah, I'll wear this. Can't wear this with my white sneakers, go on party in Jamaica. All my Jamaicans, what y'all think? So next I have this 2-piece set that I bought from the same store called GITI, where I got the pink romper. I got it the same day. Alright, so here we have this 2-piece biker short set. It's with rhinestones, and these days I've been really picky with my clothes. So I've wear the biker shorts a couple times, but I've never worn the top before. I wore it like 2 times or 1 time. 1 time in Jamaica, 1 time here in one of my videos when I went to Key Largo, that trip, Key West. And the reason for that is, you see this big space right here? I don't like it. I feel like I'm at that age now where I just don't like to be like, you know, just too much up here showing. So I like, and then it's not high enough. The biker shorts is not high enough to come up. That's the thing. So what I do is I wear this with like a white top that's like right here, and then the top I would wear it with a higher waist, some high waist, something come up more. It's because the big space, I don't know how I feel about it, you know. But yeah, this is it. I got it the same time, so I've never worn both together. Let me know what you guys think. So this I would pair with my white sneakers, of course. I think it looks cute with white sneakers. White sneakers for the win. White sneakers for the win. It feels very comfortable. I ain't gonna lie, the material feels really good on my skin. I like how it feels. Like I said, I got this set from the same GITI store. I think I just went on Google and I see that they have a GITI wholesale.com. I mean, you guys can check it out. I think they have the big wholesale in Miami, but I got this in Pembroke Lake Mall, where they have a small GITI store inside. They have cute stuff. It's just not as cheap as Fashion Nova clothes, and I like cheap, but it's cute, you know. So this I would wear, like I said, I wouldn't wear both together. I don't know, because my boyfriend said it's cute. He likes it. He likes the look. Probably this is like a party look, I think, with all the rhinestone going on and stuff. I think this is like a party look. By the way, the top has a hood on the back too. How cute is that? And I didn't try it on, because once I saw it, I was like, yep, that's my size. Like, I can look at something and tell when it's gonna be my size. As long as it has stretch in it, I can tell. So I didn't know it would like be under my navel, because when I walk, it's going to ride down. It's not gonna be up here, not gonna stay up there. No. Alright, that's it for my little twerk session. Yes, sir. So next I have this size small dress, no second guessing dress from Fashion Nova. Alright, KK squad, I was gone for like 30 minutes. Well, you guys wouldn't notice, because when I edit this video you won't notice, so I don't have to explain. Well, I might explain. Anyways, I'm back. So I probably look a hot mess because I was doing like TikTok dances and doing crazy stuff. Follow me on TikTok. So this dress is size small, but it's an oversized fit dress. It's the color camel, and this is also from Fashion Nova. So as you can see, it's an off the shoulder dress. You could wear like off the shoulder, baggy, and then it fit. It gave that snug fit down here. The material is very stretchy. I'll wear this with some boots like what I'm wearing now, but maybe not this color. Maybe the color of the dress. I'll get some boots like this. Let me know what you think. I love this look. It's cute. I really do. I would wear this to like a dinner. I feel like most of these dresses that I have is like a dinner dress. I don't really go to parties, so where am I gonna wear them? Dinner. This is the back. I have this in dark, like a wine, but it's like stripes in it. It has stripe. The material has a stripe look. This is more, this more of the sweater look. So I have this in a dark red, and I also have this. So next I have this Tommy Hilfiger dress. Alright, so this Tommy Hilfiger dress is just a simple little dress that you can run errands in, or if you're like at a resort or something, it's just one of those days at a resort. You're not going to the pool or anything, it's just a chill day, you're walking around, touring the resort or something. You just throw on this, I guess. It's a soft material, it feels comfortable. So this is just a simple dress. I don't know what I would wear this with. That's probably a little regular slippers. I'll find something, but this is just something simple. I think this was from Burlington. Something simple, nothing too crazy. So last but not least, I have this black dress also from Burlington. This was $9.99, $10 dress, $10 dress, $10 dress, and it's tight. I mean, it's just like, that's why I said in these dresses, like these so-called bodycon dresses, I usually buy a medium. But for some reason I bought a small, and I was fighting to put it on over my head a while ago. And should try it down from under my arm, and yeah, it was a struggle. So this is it. I like it because of the side, or it made the side drip up the drapes, and it gave me a little, I like the shape. So yeah, I was gonna wear this to my girls trip, but I ended up wearing a red dress, which you guys can see on my Instagram. This dress now, I would probably pair it with some black heels, or the heels that I'm wearing. Don't really have much heels. I used to, but I gave them up. Listen, I always give away stuff. You see, when I have stuff here, I'm gonna see a year pass and I don't wear it, I give it away. I gave away 2 big bags of shoes and all my heels. So I only have these heels, another clear heels like this one, but it's strap up, the boots that I tried on, and no like spike heels. I don't have much, but I'm gonna get some. Fashion Nova have some cute ones. I have to get some for my birthday. My birthday coming up in July, so yeah. I have a lot of slippers though, like strap slippers but not heels. I have black and gold, black and silver, a lot of those, but no heels. I like this. This is cute. I am a sneakers head, not a heels person. Sneaker. I have sneakers like in every color, and this is not my only white sneakers either. I have an Adidas white sneakers, but it's dirty, so that's why I'm not bringing it in the video. So for the video, I'm just showing you my Nike right now. I have another white Adidas, and I also have a Vans, a white Vans, and I have blue and white sneakers and black and white sneakers, and yeah, like I have a lot of sneakers. I'm a sneakers head. Like for special occasions, that's when these outfits come in. Let me know what you guys think about these looks, these fits. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. I reply to all comments. Thank you guys so much for watching this little clothing haul, what I would wear if I was on vacation. Thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment, like this video, share it with your friends. Also subscribe. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.